G'day everyone, Hamilton here from Delmade, here with our 9-ton subsoiler. Do you have water pooling on your soil surface? This can be because of a hard pan in the subsoil. So what this machine does is it goes through and it rips your ground, shattering the subsoil, opening that up. So in winter, the rain can go down below into the subsoil. And then during the dry, the roots can also go down and they can get the benefit of that water in the subsoil. It's a great tool to fix the issue of water pooling, and water pooling does reduce the growth of grass and can cause pugs from cattle or sheep going through it. You can also lose topsoil. A couple of tips is make sure you've got enough horses up front to pull this machine, and make sure you're going in at the right depth. These are fitted up with depth wheels, or you can get a rear crumbler. It's important to subsoil not in the wet. You'll cause more issues if you try subsoiling in wet, damp soil. So if you're looking to overcome water pooling, or jump onto our website and submit an inquiry. One of the team here at Delmade will be happy to answer any questions you have. Check out our other videos of the machines in action. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content.